Studies suggested in the past around 1/4 of infants in our region used to die in their first year of life. The high risk of child mortality is one of the reasons behind many names in our tradition. Some express the parents' wish or prayer for a child to survive. Yehedago, Yehedaga, may God spare him or her. The Arbea, may she grow. Others express the family's gratitude and feelings for a child being spared. Gide, Gide, my turn, my part. Kuflom, their part, their share. Kahsai, my compensation. Turfe, Turfu, the one left. Teka'a, Tuku'u, his replacement. Tekye, I replaced him. Some names are a wish for comfort from previous losses. Abedom, console them. Awa'alom, make them get by. Almedom, make them get used to it. Mereset, someone that makes forget something. Mezenge, someone that distracts or entertains. Amleset, she brought him or her back. When a child is born after the loss of the father, or if the mother dies of childbirth, their name, Hadgembes, a lion's heritage. Ambafras, the one who destroyed the home.
Culture is cool.